Hello and welcome. In this series of tutorial, we are going to start Android development for an app to convert currencies. This app will interact with a web service, bring back the data and convert the respective currencies to other currency. So let's get started. So in this video, we'll just create a basic structure of the application. Maybe we'll add button control and event for it. So I'm going to create a new Android Studio project and then select the empty activity. I will name the project conversion app. This would be the location of the folder. I'm going to choose sorry I'm going to choose this API is 5.1. There are other API available, but I am not going too old or too latest one. Since this is far stable, I'll stick with this. So this is the new project already getting loaded here. Let me expand it. It is still getting synced. So Gradle will sync all the libraries and try to build all the files. Meanwhile, you can work on your application. You can just design and code. So let me expand this Java folder. Inside that main folder, you'll see main activity, and the same will expand resource folder. Inside the resource folder there would be activity.mainxml. This is already getting loaded here. After load, you can see the interface like this. So it contains one text box, text view, which contains hello world. And if you go to main activity.java, this is the Java file which connects with this activity main activity resource file. Okay, so let us do something for it before the run. So what we do, we will add one button control in this application, in this page. So we are not going to add just drag and drop. We will go to text file, because that is much easier. So we'll just go to text file and let us add button control. Okay, I added some code for button like ID for it and height and width. Let me add text for it. So Android and text equal to convert. So before adding constraint to it, let's give ID to this control, text tree control. Also we'll call it id text view 1. Okay, so we have text view and we will add a layout. We'll add layout constraint to text view 1. Okay, so now you can see our button is just below this text box, text view control. Okay, let's add some Java code here. So we are done with designing for now. Let's add some Java code to it. So we'll add one button, and then we add click listener to it. Button object dot set on click listener, new. It shows the option, just press tab or click it. It will add one function, and here we will create one text view. Text view object like TV. So created object for text view, and we will just set text for this object as, so we are clicking convert button, so we'll say convert button clicked. Okay, so our application is ready to run. So what we'll see is, by default the text view will contain the hello world text, and the moment we click this convert button, it will show up the text what we wrote here. Okay, let's run it. So here we go, our application launched in the device, and it by default have hello world text, and we can, the moment we click convert, this must show the text. Okay, so convert click. So thanks for watching, guys.